I've seen a few videos recently of people recreating the In-N-Out double burger. Now, I've never been to the west coast of America. I've never had the double burger. But from the company website and from a little bit of research on the internet, I think I've got this one. I'm going to recreate the In-N-Out double burger. And we're going to start with the spread. We're going to use roughly 2 parts mayonnaise to 1 part tomato sauce to 1 part pickled gherkin. I really don't know why they call it a spread and not a sauce. If you do know the answer, then let me know the story down in the comments below. I understand the buns come toasted as standard. You can ask for them not to be toasted, and I think you can also ask for them to be extra toasty as well. So we're going to toast off our buns, and whilst that's happening, we can prepare the rest of our fillings. We've got some beautiful tomato, some lettuce, and a Spanish onion, a white onion. And when they're prepared, we've got a slice of tomato, we've got a slice of our Spanish onion, and we've got some lettuce leaves as well. As far as I can tell, In-N-Out don't use a shredded lettuce, they use whole lettuce leaves in their burgers. Now there's some beautifully toasted buns. Because it's the In-N-Out double burger we're making, we've got 2 patties and we've got 2 slices of cheese. So the patties, I'm using 100% Scottish beef. I couldn't get hold of American beef for this. And they're each 2 ounces. So that's around about 55 grams each. This pan is now smoking hot. What I've done is I've just put a teaspoon of oil over the meatballs just so that they don't stick to the pan. I don't have a spatula to press the burgers down into the pan, but what I do have is a potato masher and some tin foil. So I can take the tin foil and wrap it around the head of the potato masher to give me that nice flat surface to press the patty down. And because we're squashing them so thin, they'll only take a couple of minutes on each side to cook. Now they're flipped over, we can get our cheese and we can put that over the burgers. And we can take a lid and we'll put that on, turn the heat off and just leave that for a couple of minutes for that cheese to melt, for the burgers to continue cooking, and then we'll be able to start assembling our homemade In-N-Out double burger. Now referring back to our reference picture on the In-N-Out website, it doesn't look like this spread on the top bun, just on the bottom. So let's get some spread on the bottom bun. I want a good amount of this. Get it right up to the edges. Up next is our slice of tomato. Then we've got our crispy lettuce. We get the first of our burgers. And then that's followed by our sliced onion. And then our final burger and cheese. And that's then followed by the top of the bun on top there. We'll give that a bit of a squeeze out. And then it's just a case of wrapping it for eating. So we take a piece of greaseproof paper, fold it into a square, and then place the folded edge along the top of the burger. We should be able to wrap it down, and as we lift it up, tuck it under on one side, tuck it under on the other, and then with a bit of the back, fold that under, and that's my homemade In-N-Out double burger. Let me know in the comments how you think I got on. I'll let you know how I got on in just a second when I work out where I'm going to take the first bite. That's a really good burger. It's meaty. There's a little bit of bite from that onion, the sweetness from the tomato and the spread as well. I nearly said sauce. And then as well, I've got these homemade fries to go alongside it. Now, if you want to know how to make these homemade fries, then be sure to watch this video next. And if not, this is the video that YouTube thinks that you should watch.